Stop the hiccups. There they go. Bye-bye. See ya.
Guess I'm getting pretty hungry.
Oh, me too.
Well, then, anybody interested in a little snack?
A snack?
Yeah!
Help yourselves.
Aw, thank you, Timmy.
Oh, let's wash our hands first.
Yeah, but I'm hungry now, though.
The first one to get all cleaned up is the first to eat.
Huh?
Wait up!
Huh? Where is everyone? A snack for me?
Munchie?
Huh? Hey, Munchie, where did the snacks go?
No, Munchie, don't tell me you ate all the snacks.
Hey!
Huh?
The bubble maker is gone, too.
Huh?
That's not good.
Where'd it go? It was sitting right here. Huh?
So I might have eaten the cookies.
Tell the truth, Munchie. Did you think the bubble maker was a cookie as well?
Why would I eat a bubble maker on purpose, Cody?
Looks like we've got a case of the hiccups to cure.
Oh, you know what? My mom taught me a little trick that'll work for sure. So, you ready, Munchie? Okay. Oh, well, that didn't work.
All right, it's my turn.
Huh? Huh.
Behold, this machine is guaranteed to help you. The mighty Hiccup Stopper.
Ooh, what does it do?
Let me show you. Pat, pat, pat. It'll pat your back until all your hiccups stop for good. Watch.
So, are the hiccups gone now?
Of course. That's the Made by Cody guarantee. Huh?
Hey, get back here! Where are you going, Munchie?
Oh, seriously? Oh, Munchie!
Whoa! Gotcha. Hey, Formy, are you sure the hiccups will stop if you stick your tongue out long enough?
Don't be ridiculous. Of course I'm sure.
You got this, Munchie.
Like this?
A little longer.
Keep going. You're doing great.
This could really be the cure. Maybe not. Munchie, you okay? Are you better now?
Oh, the hiccups are gone.
Wow, really? It worked!
Hey, look! It's our snacks! Amazing!